Pepecoin has reached an enormous all-time high. We knew this was going to happen. We talked about it yesterday and said that we might be getting close to an all-time high very soon. Of course, we did not expect a 50% pump and Coinbase listing this particular meme coin, but we were thinking that Pepe does deserve a $6 to $10 billion market capital, so this is absolutely great. What a time to be in the crypto markets. Congratulations. For those of you who bought in the winter, a few months ago, or even just a few days ago, you are definitely making money right now. It's now 92.4 thousand, which means that Bitcoin's price is still being found, and the markets are going crazy. Guys, you're not leaving the house tonight. Put the wife aside and don't go to the gym. There is nothing. Fortnite is not allowed at all. You've been looking at crypto all night. And that's it. The markets are really hot right now, and you shouldn't miss out on what could happen in these markets. Of course, you shouldn't look at crypto 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But this is exciting. It doesn't happen often. Let's see what's going on with Pepe's score over here. It has fully mooned now. We wanted the price to reach 0.000172, which was the end of the accumulation range we thought it would reach. It did, in fact, break down to 118 during the week, but it moved in a completely ridiculous way. It bought very quickly. There was a lot of buildup at the bottom of the candle, and it's now up to 19. This is really moving quickly and looking good. It also did a full pump from the bottom of that weekly candle of 56%. Of course, that's just the day 56% of the value went up in one day. It doesn't quite reach my full. If you use this past swing high to swing low, you can find the bull market target, which is a bit higher, which actually shows that if we really want to go all out, we should try to get to the 0.4 level. To be honest, I still think we can get a little more out of this with Pepecoin, but I would always be aware that this could be a case of FOMO. In the end, we've just entered a very happy state. It might not be the best choice, but it seems like the smart thing to do. The RSI for Pepe hasn't been this high in a long time. In fact, the meme craze season happened in February and March 2024. Right now, it's a big result of a lot of greed and a lot of new money coming into the markets. Of course, the big news is that Robinhood now lists Pepecoin as well. The big OG, of course. Pepecoin is now listed on Coinbase as well. This is completely crazy. And if you look at these markets, the coin market cap hasn't changed yet, but I think you'll see a Coinbase possibly at the top, which will drive some of the most volume into Pepeco. If you're also looking for signals in this market and want to make huge crypto gains and achieve time, location, and financial freedom, check out my Patreon group down below. We'll give you AlphaCool's education, indicators, insights, and a lot more. I'd really like to know. I'd like to introduce myself to you guys in Discord and get to know everyone else in Discord as well. This is great news about Robinhood, and it's taking Coinbase a long time to finally add Pepe. That being said, I guess they finally waited for the right time, which was in the middle of the bull market. We can see a big weekly candle for Pepe on this RSI. It hasn't reached high levels yet. It hasn't moved into the red ribbon yet, which is up here. It hasn't reached 80. That's why it doesn't look too far. That's not even close to being too much yet, which makes me think that Pepe can still go a little higher, especially with this news, which is also still pretty fresh. So amazing how Pepe's prices have changed over here. It would be great to get some food and see this go a little further. At the moment, 0.000000191 gives us a huge $8.14 billion price tag. Also, let's take a look at Bitcoin. It's worth $1.8 trillion now. The total value of blockchain is about 3.1 trillion Bitcoins. That means blockchain is now the second most valuable asset class after Microsoft. It will soon eat up both Microsoft and Apple. I think Bitcoin will do that on its own, but gold, which is worth $17.5 trillion, is the real big one. But yeah, these markets are crazy. I also want to show you a new coin that is like Pepe, but not linked to it. It's called Pepe the Unraveled. If you like Pepe, which I'm sure you do since you're watching this movie. This new Layer 2 infrastructure token will go live on several Tier 1 markets in December, so you might be interested in it. I think they've raised $28.2 million. We are now in Bitcoin season. This is the main year part, and we haven't seen the true meme season or alt season yet. The main part of this altcoin or joke coin is the Layer 2 infrastructure. It has its own DEX, bridge, and block viewer. It has the option to stake coins and give money to developers. At the same time, this will get developers to work on the app. Now, it has a block viewer, which is very different for a meme coin. It's on the second layer. It's his own blockchain village. It will be very fast, scalable, and have a high TPS. In general, it will be an environment you don't want to miss. This could be the next 10 to 100 times. This might be a new Pepe-like thing. And because Tier 1 exchange entries are so strong, this should really push the coin through the roof and bring a lot of volume and liquidity to it. What do you think about this one? Please let me know for sure. You can see a little bit of their goods here. Let me quickly show you the movie so you can understand what this is all about. The Block Explorer is there. That means I'm not making this up. This item right here is a real one. They also have a great deck, so we can trade your PEPE tokens for wrapped coins or other tokens of your choice. We also have this lovely little liquidity pool. It also has smart analytics that can help you understand the market and maybe even find some cool stuff. Okay, that's cool. This could be the start of a new big chain that will take off. So guys, there are only 30 days left until the pre-sale for Pepe Unchained ends. This one is huge, and it will hit those big exchanges very, very soon. If you want to learn more about the coin, there is a link just below. You are free to do that. Find out more about the coin and then decide what you think. It's likely that you want to know how to buy it since it's not live yet. To use it, all you have to do is connect it to something like a MetaMask or crypto DeFi bank. You choose which wallet to join and then press Connect Wallet if you want to get Pepe coins, which are basically Pepe Unchained coins. You should first change either Ethereum or Tether into them. We have 8 billion tokens after going through the tokenomics. In the pre-sale, 40% are bought, 30% to stake, 10% to market liquidity, 7.5% to project growth, and then 5% to chain inventory. This is one of the hottest coins out there, as you can see by the fact that they have 88% on the stake and awards right now. At this point, I wouldn't bet because there are only about 30 days left to get those prizes. But all in all, it's a very interesting environment that makes me feel very optimistic. Such a big community and a great product, this adds a cool layer to the environment that could change the way these crypto markets work. There's a link below for you to look into it. Remember not to risk more than you can afford to lose. That being said, I think it looks great. Please let me know what you think of this coin. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you check out the Patreon because we're almost sold out and there isn't much room left. Thanks for seeing this video too. Also, let me know how you feel about the OG pair Pay. What do you think the market value will be in 10 years? Because it feels like there is no limit or true cap right now. We are in the process of real price discovery, and the cryptocurrency space as a whole looks very, very strong. Peace and see you soon.